Okay, good evening, students. Okay, the first two questions of mathematics paper 1 for 2020 academic year, that was GCE. It was saying simplify. Okay, so we simplify that question. Uh, this is just simple to understand. So what you do is you just have to look at what you have in brackets first. So you have 2a plus open brackets. Then you have this expression inside the brackets, close minus b. So what it implies is here, uh, where there is no number here, it means there is a 1 here. So we have to expand what we have in the brackets first. So we say, we bring down the 2a, bring down the plus, then we say the one that we have here is just 1 times b is b. Positive times negative is negative. Then 1 times a is a. Then you have minus, you bring it here, minus 2b, bring down here. Then from here now, what we do is we just group the like terms together. Remember that this is just a simplification question. There is no equal sign here. It's just an expression. So we have to collect the like terms together. What I'm going to do, or what we are supposed to do, is we get the 2a, we bring it here. Then we get this a. Remember, when you're getting this a, you get the a together with the sign it is having on the left. It is a negative sign. So get the 2a, bring it here. Get this minus, bring it here, and then get the a, bring it here. This is not changing because it has not crossed any equal sign. So just bring it together with the sign that it is having. And then from here you get this positive b, the plus. And then the b is here, get the minus, bring it here, get the 2b, bring it here. Then here this 2a minus 1. 2a minus 1, it's just like someone is saying, if you remove a from 2a's, you're going to remain with a. So you have 2a minus a is a. Then here you have b minus 2b. So b minus 2b, you are removing, this is the same as someone is saying 1 minus 2. You can't remove a 2 from a 1, but you can remove a 2, you can remove a 1 from a 2. So what we do here is we subtract 1 minus 2. It's the same as b minus 2b, and then get the sign of the bigger number. So b minus 2b, the answer is negative b. So this is our answer. From here, we can't subtract b from a because a and b are two different terms. So this is our final answer. Then on the next question, the indices. See to it that you have the question here and the index, the power is a negative. So the first step that you do is you remove this negative by doing what? If the negative disappears here, the negative has disappeared. Then you write the reciprocal of the what? Of the base. So your base here, what you had on top here is a 64, but here it is the opposite. Here you have 64 over 125. Here I have 125 over 64. And what I've done is I've just written the reciprocal, the opposite of this, and then the negative is disappeared when you change the numerator to be the denominator and the denominator to be the numerator. You understand? Then from here now we say this 3 that you are having here on your power, it is telling you to say think of a number you can raise to the power of 3 for you to get 125. So in short, we are just saying what is the cube root of 125? The cube root of 125 is what? It's 5. So 5 to the power 3 is 125. Then again, think of the number you can raise to the power of 3 for you to get 64. The cube root of 64 is what? Is 4. You see that? Then from here now we say, okay, we are now multiplying power times power. You see that? So power times power here we are getting, this is over 1. Then this is also over what? 1. 3 times 1, we get a 3. 1 times 3, you get a 3 here. Again, at the bottom here, these brackets mean the power is affecting both your what? Your numerator and your denominator. Again, you multiply 1 over 3 times this 3, the power of 4. You say 1 times 3 is a 3. 3 times 1, get a 3. Then you say 3 into 3, that's a 1. 3 into 3, that's a 1. Then any number to the power 1 is what? It's the same number. 5 to the power 1 is 5. 4 to the power 1 is what? It's 4. From here, you say this is your answer. Or if you want, you can say, how many times does a 4 go into a 5? You say it goes 1. Remember, 1 over 4. So you can either end here or leave your answer here. Thank you very much. Okay.